Good morning, students. As we have already discussed about the balancing of the chemical equations, now we are continuing our same topic and I will tell you something more about the balancing of chemical equations. In these equations, there are some terms which we will use, and the topic is to make the equations more informative. The topic is to make the equations more informative. To make the equation more informative, there are some points which you have to note down. First one is, for solids you have to write the symbol S. For liquids you have to write L. For gases you have to write G. And for aqueous solution you have to write aqueous. How aqueous solution is made? When you dissolve some salt in water, then aqueous solution is made. When the solvent is water, then the aqueous solutions are formed. Now, in fifth point, if the in equation gas is produced, then we will represent it by a arrow like this. And if in the equation the precipitates are formed, then we will represent it by an arrow facing downward. This will be more clear to you when you see how we will use this in equations. As we have already balanced these two equations, in first equation you can see that I have written S, mean to say magnesium is in solid form, oxygen is in gas form, and magnesium oxide which is obtained is again in solid form. So this makes the equation more informative. And when you write the equations, you have to mention that whether it is solid, liquid, gas, aqueous, or if any precipitates are formed, you have to make an arrow like this, or if gas is produced, you have to make an arrow like this. Second one, you can see that here hydrogen is gas. I have written G. Chlorine again gas. So HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, which is formed, is again in the gaseous form. So I have mentioned this states in order to make the equations more informative. Now we are going to discuss some more equations to be balanced. These are the three equations which I have written. Now I will solve all of these one by one.